Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week it'll be socket organization. I thought I'd show you how I made my socket racks, or trays if you like, for my toolbox. These are 3D printed, so I've gone through the steps on freecad that I used to build it, and I've used Ultimaker Cura to slice it and to print it on my 3D printer. So I'll leave links in the description to freecad and Ultimaker Cura because they're both free programs. There's no affiliation with anything like that here. I've just found it and used them. And without further ado, we'll get on with it. And there it is after the print, and I put an extra couple in. You didn't quite see me do that, but I put 16 instead of the 14. And now it's time to put the sockets on. I've got my Bajo set here, and this is what I've made it for, so it doesn't take up so much room in my box. So we'll put these on. They'll stand on the squares that are standing up. I mean, you can modify this. All the sockets will fit on there. And I've got a couple of plug sockets as well to go on the end. Just put these in. And one socket tray, so it stands in the drawer and they don't fall over. And just go over and put that in the drawer. As you can see, that's how I've made most of my things here. Got a blue one there, and I also made this, but all my specialty bits. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope it's been of use. Oh, and there's only just enough room for these in this drawer because it's not very deep. If I put it towards the edge, because the drawer bows a little bit in the centre, they fit here. I can't fit them on the end. So, but small price to pay. At least now that is it's a lot tidier the way it is, and of course they don't fall over. So, okay, if you'd like to purchase the STL file for this, the link will be in the description below. Maybe I can buy some new equipment or something, because my camera is starting to die. If you do purchase it, thank you very much indeed. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.